My name is Captain Mitchell Hess. I'm the Brigade Air Defense Officer for the 173rd Infantry Brigade Combat Team Airborne. So this exercise, Operation Shield 2024, the overall objective is to get our MANPADS trained Stinger teams out here to integrate with not only the Croatian Air Defense Army, but also the Slovenians, the Polish, and the French who are out here as well participating. So I think what we're learning is kind of shared tactics, techniques, and procedures. What we got to do this exercise, which was a little different from the last couple exercises, was we got to integrate and get some hands-on training with the systems that the other air defense units that our NATO allies use. So they were really able to learn how to operate those systems and the tracking training that is involved with those systems as well. So this training area provides us a venue to actually come out here and conduct a live fire with these large missile systems. A lot of the troubles that we have is finding ranges that are big enough to support areas that can shoot missile systems, as well as some live fire artillery systems. So that is a significant value that the Croatians provide to us and coming out here every year.